Everyone thinks the best-selling medical alert bracelets are automatically the best ones, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Vinox Braided Leather Bracelet. The Vinox Blue Braided Leather Medical Symbol Caduceus Bracelet, priced at $14.99. I was drawn in by its stylish design, which doesn't scream medical alert, but instead feels more like a fashion statement. If you want a blend of style and safety, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The bracelet is made from 316L stainless steel and high-quality microfiber leather, making it both sturdy and durable. It fits wrist sizes between 6.7 and 7.4 inches, with a total length of 8.26 inches. You can even engrave crucial medical details or emergency contacts, so if anything happens, it's right there on your wrist. The peace of mind that comes from knowing you can communicate vital information in an emergency is priceless. Now, some people complain about the size being a bit off if you have larger wrists. Here's the thing though, if you know your wrist size and order accordingly, it's a great fit for most folks. It might not work for everyone, but for average wrist sizes, it's a solid option. This is perfect for you if you want something discreet yet functional. Skip this one if you're looking for a bracelet that accommodates larger wrists. For its price, you're getting a stylish piece that also serves a critical purpose. Now, if the Vinox's size issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its customizable features.
Product number 2, My ID Medical ID Sleeve. The My ID Medical ID Sleeve retailing for $16.72. What caught my eye was its compatibility with popular smartwatches like the Apple Watch and Fitbit. If you want a medical alert solution without sacrificing your tech style, this is definitely worth considering. This is a game changer in terms of accessibility. It allows you to store unlimited medical information, which is crucial if you're managing multiple health issues. Imagine having all your health data easily accessible for first responders via a simple QR code. Plus, you have options to access this information through a secure website or a 24/7 live operator. This means you can update your details instantly, which can be a lifesaver in emergencies. Now, some reviews mention that the sleeve can be a bit bulky on smaller wrists, but I'll be real with you, if you want functionality over aesthetics, this isn't a deal breaker. It's still comfortable enough for daily wear. This is perfect for tech-savvy individuals who want to keep their medical info handy. Skip this one if you're looking for something more traditional and less techy. For $16.72, the value is clear when it comes to your safety. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a classic ID bracelet with a modern twist.
Product number 3, Hebe Medical Alert Bracelet. The Hebe Medical Alert Customized ID Bracelet. Honestly, its affordability and clear engraving caught my attention right away. If you want a straightforward, no-frills option that still communicates vital information, this is a solid choice. The laser engraving on this bracelet is not just readable, it's designed to last for years. It's made from a combination of a silicone band and a stainless steel plate, which makes it waterproof and comfortable. With the engraving clearly stating conditions like blood thinner, first responders will have the information they need at a glance. That peace of mind knowing help can be optimized in an emergency is crucial. Some people noted that the silicone may not look as upscale as metal options. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize function over form, this bracelet does the job and does it well. It's lightweight and perfect for everyday wear. This is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable yet inexpensive option. Skip this if you want something more stylish or made primarily from metal. For its price, it's hard to beat the value for safety. Now, if you need something a bit more advanced, the next product might just fit your needs perfectly.
Product number 4, the Lucky Tag Upgraded Bracelet. The upgraded medical bracelets from the Lucky Tag priced at $18.99. This one really caught my attention with its QR code technology. If you want something that holds extensive information without being bulky, this is worth your time. This bracelet lets you store all your important medical information in one place, which is revolutionary compared to traditional engraved tags. It's easy to set up. Just scan the QR code and input your details. The ability to update your information anytime means it's always current, which can prevent minor emergencies from escalating. And let's face it, early detection is key for effective treatment. However, some users mentioned that the QR code can be tricky to scan at times. But here's the thing, Once you learn how to position it correctly, it works like a charm. It's a small learning curve for a feature that can save lives. This is perfect for those who want a modern and tech-friendly medical alert solution. Skip this if you prefer traditional engraved options. For under $19, it's an investment in your safety that's hard to overlook. Now, if you're looking for a stylish yet practical option, the next product might catch your eye.
Product number 5, Mealgate Personalized Bracelet. We have the Mealgate Personalized Medical Alert Bracelet for $14.98. This one shines with its elegant design combined with practical functionality. If you want something that can blend into your daily attire while providing safety, keep watching. The bracelet is engraved with critical information like blood thinner, ensuring that first responders are aware of your medical needs. It features an elastic strap for a comfortable fit and is made from high-quality stainless steel, which adds to its durability. Plus, it comes with a velvet bag and a medical wallet card, making it a thoughtful gift for someone who needs that extra layer of safety. Some users have mentioned that the elastic strap might not be suitable for larger wrists. But here's the thing. If you're looking for a bracelet that combines style and functionality, this is a great choice for men and women alike. This is perfect for anyone who values both aesthetics and practicality. Skip this if you need something super adjustable for larger wrists. At this price, you're getting both style and safety in one package.
We covered the Vinox braided leather bracelet for style, the My ID medical ID sleeve for tech-savvy individuals, the Hebe medical alert bracelet for affordability, the upgraded the Lucky Tog bracelet for extensive information storage, and finally, the Mealgate personalized bracelet for those wanting a stylish option. Each of these has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.